Hello there and welcome to another edition of Case or No Case here on Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams and I'm being joined by my friend Jeff Pitman. He's an attorney here at PKSD Law Firm. How are you, Jeff?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Thank you.
We're live in person.
I can actually touch you.
We can touch you. That's right. At the world headquarters of PKSD.
Yes.
It's a great day.
It's a great day, and hopefully you've got a great scenario for us.
I do. I got one for you. So your daughter is taking driver's ed, okay? And so she's going to a school to do that. And as some young drivers do, she's driving along and she ends up rear-ending the vehicle ahead of you, okay? So case or no case against your auto insurance for your daughter rear-ending that car even though she doesn't have a driver's license.
Now, believe it or not, I took driver's lessons as a teen, and I believe the fee is included in the driving lesson, so no case?
I think there's probably a case because your parents have to sponsor you to get a temporary license to drive, so there's probably a case against your parents' license. Case or no case against the driving school's insurance?
Case?
Case. Probably a case because she's driving their car and she would be
Yeah.
covered that. So in this scenario, there's probably a case.
Good stuff. And if you'd like to get a free, no obligation consultation, you can just dial the 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.